Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Amazon app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Amazon app. So once you open Amazon app, you simply need to click on this person in the bottom. And from here, you need to click on the flag on the right top. And here you can see country and region. Click on that. And here you can see different countries, so I'm going to select the Canada. Click on that, and here you need to click on done. So once you click on done, your country will be changed on Amazon app. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.